Yo, what's up YouTube? It's your boy No Saba Kid. Today I'm gonna make a beat like Scrim, but just my process of how I make fucking Suicide Boys beats, Xavier Wolf type beats, fucking G59, fuck all the underground shit, you know what I'm saying? So not gonna be like a 3-hour video. It's gonna be it'll take me like an hour and a half to shoot this video, but then I'll cut it down, just show exactly my process, my thought process of how I make my Suicide Boys type beats. Let's get this shit. The first thing I do, I've been loving Omnisphere, so I'm opening that bitch up. Just gonna take a second. Any day now, any day. I was not on point. And now we just gotta find a sound. So I just go in the directory, I put view all Omnisphere, category, all, and then I just shuffle this bitch because there's just so much sounds. This part might take a hot second. I think we found some sound, bro. Human steam organ lo-fi. We're just gonna work with it. Once you get the sound, you have to find the tempo of whatever the fuck you're playing on your MIDI keyboard. So I already have this melody in my head, so we're just gonna play this bitch out. But I want to switch that bitch up. So I want to switch these two. Once you got that, we just gotta organize this shit. Trust the process. Make sure the shit's in scale first. D minor, yes. We got it. Now you could I just like adjusting it to see if anything sounds good. Drinking this shit, so if I got some shit in my mouth, it might be shit. When I do my melodies and shit, I want to make sure this bitch is in 9. That's where it peaks. That's alright. Could always adjust it right here too. Around 9. I don't know the fuck we're doing, but we're fucking doing it. So I like using the same sound, like if I want a top line sometimes. So we just do clone, perfecto. Let's get this bitch. And it should have the same fucking sound. Perfect, yes. Press record, R for record. Let's get it. That's all, bro. That's fucking all. Learn piano. That shit will make you fucking just nut shit out, bro. The EQs are different, so clone that bitch. Put an EQ on this shit because we're playing higher notes, different notes, so the EQ is gonna be different. At this point, like maybe let's add some bass, you know, just some fucking maybe piano. Let's try it. Let's fucking try it, dude. This is my process of cooking fucking beats. I'm not gonna lie. Nyor, open the nyor. Just follow the bass notes. Let's put that bitch, ow, my back, an octave lower. Copy this, Perfect. Now, fucking ear candy, bitch. Some ear candy that I've been liking recently, not gonna lie. Also from Contact, so we're gonna open a Contact. But before I open Contact, I swear, please just say your project, bro. If I open Contact twice, my shit crashes, so fucking save that bitch. Name this shit some long ass name that sounds cool as fuck. I love Suicide Boys. My favorite, dude. I don't know if my capitalization's right, but let's hope. I'm looking for, there we go. Ear candy. instance of this shit, but with a different fucking sound. Ooh. You know what I do after this bitch? Slap the fucking master preset on this bitch, and then throwing all these bitches in the first mixer track routing, route selected to track only, and all that's gonna do is send it to mixing bus, so you can control all the sounds. They're all here. After the EQ, I usually like doing RC20, so we're gonna go to RC20, and then vinyl preset 1, I just turn off the noise. The reason I like doing this specific way, putting that shit all to mixing bus and putting an effect on it, is because it makes all those sounds have that effect, so it fucking blends that bitch in together. It's just something that I like doing. I've noticed that it helps my mix. And on top of that, after you do that, you want to put a fucking LA2A silver compressor. I just did it because Durkee did it, and it fucking worked for me too. I could notice a small difference. I like doing my peak reduction to 1 dB. Negative 1 dB, my bad, boys and girls. Now, what do I do after the melody? I just try using Memphis vocals, bro. I just try. If it doesn't work, then it doesn't work. Sometimes it sounds good with it, sometimes it doesn't. And for that, I'm gonna find a Memphis vocal. Not in my kit, but the maxi kit. I like separating the stems. You don't have to. Someone said they don't, so you know, it's a thought. You don't have to, but let's just see how it sounds. I just want the vocals. Hopefully you could cut out the drums, but if not, it's fine. We're gonna make it work. We're gonna make it work. Perfect, bro. Sexy. Now I hear the fucking drums, bro. I've been entering with the scream. That sounds wrong, but you'll see what I mean. Sounds off. Reset. Then after we have the Memphis vocals and then the melody, drums. I like starting with the hi-hat. With the hi-hats, I don't know how to explain it, but I go through them so much, bro. Just fucking click, clack, click, clack, click, clack this bitch. But when you keep clicking it, it just fucking eargasms your ear, and it just fits so good in the mix. That's how I pick my hi-hats, and then it just perfects everything else. I like this one. This one fucking fits. Here, fill each 2 steps. Makes snare next, so we go to the snares. Same process. Put my fucking mix and master preset on that bitch. Yes, aggressive snare with the reverb. Turn the reverb off for now. Tried out. I love my 6/7 808. Remember, we're just following the root note. Root note is we're in D sharp. D sharp, B, A sharp. Okay. Maybe we're feeling it. We're feeling it. Now, after you have the 808s, what you gotta do, kick. We're just gonna copy the drum pattern and then just put it in C, so it's the original pitch of the kick. So, got that bitch in C. Oh shit. C. That's in C. C. See, I'm Mexican, so it sounds like I'm saying yes. Boom. My shit crashed, but I'm gonna just say where I left off. So what do I got now? So after I crashed, all I did was arrange the beat. And then, you know, for some Suicide Boys type shit, I love throwing in some crashes. Some of this shit. I just put some delay on it. Right here. Yep. Scream, you already know. To the riser, into the drop. Let's hear it. This is how I make scrim type beats, you know, like just how I approach my shit. All my beats kind of sound different, but you know, scrim has a myriad of fucking just ways of fucking putting shit together. All his shit's unique. So if your shit doesn't sound exactly like his, it's alright, because his shit always sounds so fucking new and damn beautiful, bro. He's a fucking gangster G. Anyways, please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you learned some tips from this shit. Remember, it's just so simple, easy, do yourself. Check out my drum kit. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and have a good day.